Alright y'all, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Down there on Big Escambia this morning. It's been some good high water right here. Got some good water here now. We ought to be able to get a strike here this morning. Maybe. We sure gonna give it a try. Ain't nothing to do but throw it in there and see. It's a beautiful morning. They don't always bite good on the beautiful mornings. I got a minor glitch on the end of my pole here. I think I need to pull that back up through there. Maybe that did it, I don't know. I wonder how that happened. It's always gonna be something. Y'all hold on a second, I'll be right back with y'all. I knew it was casting kind of funny. Didn't want to come off the reel good. Somehow or another that happened, I don't know. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. A lot better. We may not catch one here. I do have another rod on the truck with a worm on it, but I may not fish it here. I just mainly come down here. I've been down here for a good while. Let's try it over here by the bridge where the water's a little deeper. Let me ease right down here. I ain't worried about no snake. Not this morning. Coming up on a root right there, I had to slow it down. I'm not surprised, but normally about mid-December, like right now, you can really, I mean, you can mop up on them at this spot, but I hadn't had a strike yet. Let's try on the other side of the bridge over here. If y'all would, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like. Ring that bell and you'll know when I upload. Let's see, can I get right over here? I'll try it right here, but if I hook one, I probably won't be able to land it. Let me get at a different angle. I don't like that angle. I can go right around here and kind of get at a different angle at this hole. Well, we'll throw one more time in here. All right, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna hit another spot on the way in. Y'all just hold on and I'll be back with y'all when I get there. Won't take me but just a second. All right, y'all, we made it over here in Persimmon Creek. See, that didn't take but a second. It's been a minute since I caught a fish here. We're gonna give it a try this morning. This is the only spot I hadn't tried yet since we've had the high water. Well, I take it back, there's another spot on up the road there, but I ain't gonna try it today. But I will try to hit it before the weekend, before them deer hunters come in there. Start deer hunting on Saturday and Sunday. Over there at that place, I have to kind of walk down in the woods a little bit with it, and I sure don't want to make nobody mad. Dang, I wonder what that is. Somebody's thrown down in them woods, done floated down the creek. I wish people wouldn't do that. I don't know if it's a wash machine or what it is. A deep freezer or something floated off down yonder. Let's see if we get a fish to bite. I don't know if y'all can see it down through yonder, but it's right down through yonder. Oh, dang it. I didn't click my bell. Y'all seen that, didn't you? Let me try close right here to me before I try to throw out yonder. I probably need to be throwing a darker color. I gotta be careful right there because there's a log right under the surface. One more cast right here. Tell y'all what, I got my worm with me. Let me throw a worm in there. Get on bottom, see what we can do. Never know. Skin hook it a little bit. Better come on up with that. There's a snag right there. It's a beautiful morning, y'all hear me? A beautiful morning. It's just as still. Should be fixing to fall over that log. I think it just did it. I almost had a disaster right there. May have it already. These dad blame sawbriar. Right up here. Get that loose. Let me put these glasses on, people. See what we got here. I smell something dead, that's for sure. That's probably a deep freeze down there in them woods that somebody throwed out that spoiled on them. We'll get it in a minute. Y'all just bear with me. Y'all bear with the old redneck. I'm getting old. No, I ain't getting old, I am old. Let me put it that way. That's probably lying right. I'll have to fix that. I hope that briar didn't fray it, no. Probably did. Anyway, Let's go over on the other side and trap. With this worm, I won't be able to throw that plug down there because I won't be able to get a good pull with it. But we'll ease over here and ease right up the bank here and go over there and trap on the other side. I have pulled them up from over there in the past. Not lately though. Last few times I fished in here, I hadn't even had a bite. That don't mean they ain't here somewhere. I mean, this body of water right here goes way up through yonder before it narrows down to nothing but. I ain't had a nibble. Not even from a brim today. This is the second place I've stopped. I got another place I'm gonna stop by tomorrow. But I'm gonna tie up some beetle spins before I go in there. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. I didn't get a bite today, but that's part of fishing. Y'all hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and hit that like button, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see y'all later.